अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ मदा से आम, बे से बंदर, पे से पतंग, ते से तितली, टे से टमाटर, से समर, जीम से जहाज, चे से चूजा, हे से हलवाई, खे से खरगोश, दाल से दरख्त, डाल से ढोल, जाल से जखीरा, रे से रेलगाड़ी, रे से पहाड़, जे से ज़ेब्रा, जे से ज़ालाबारी, सीन से सेब, शीन से शेर, स्वाद से संदूक, ज़्वाद से ज़ईब, तोए से तोता, ज़ोए से ज़रूफ, आइन से औरत, गाइन से गुब्बारा, फे से फुटबॉल, काफ से कुरान पाक, काफ से केला, गाफ से गाय, लाम से लड़की, मीम से माल्टा, नून से नारियल, वाव से वैगन, हे से हाथी, हमजा से नाई, ये से यक्का, ये से या रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। A for apple, apple means सेब. B for banana, banana means केला. C for cat, cat means बिल्ली. D for dinosaur, dinosaur means dinosaur. E for elephant, elephant means हाथी. F for fox, fox means लोमड़ी. G for giraffe, giraffe means zarafa. H for hippo, hippo means hippo. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for jellyfish, jellyfish means jellyfish. K for kangaroo, kangaroo means kangaroo. L for lion, lion means sheer. M for monkey, monkey means bandar. N for nest, nest means घोंसला. O for all means ullu. P for penguin, penguin means penguin. Q for quail, quail means quail. R for rabbit, rabbit means खरगोश. S for sheep, sheep means भेड़. T for turtle, turtle means कछुआ. U for unicorn, unicorn means unicorn. V for vampire, vampire means vampire. W for whale, whale means whale मछली. X for xylophone, xylophone means xylophone. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. Let's start to learn fruits name. apple means save. Mango means aam. Banana means kela. Pineapple means ananas. Grapes mean angur. Apricot mean khobani. Strawberry means tute farangi. Cherry means shadana. Kiwi means kiwi. Dragon fruit means dragon fruit. Pomegranate means anar. Raspberries means rasbari. Watermelon means tarbuza. Orange means malta. Melon means kharbuza. Papaya means papita. Lemon means lemu. Pears means nashpati. Lychee means lychee. Guava means amrood. Lime means limu. Blackberry means blackberry. Coconut means nariyal. Custard apple means custard apple. Plum means aloo bukhara. Olives means zaitun. Fig means injeer. Grapefruit means chakotra. Vegetables name, सब्जियों के नाम. Tomato means टमाटर. Okra means भिंडी. Capsicum means शिमला मिर्च. Beetroot means चकंदर. Cabbage means gobi. Potato means aloo. Pea means mटर. Brinjal means बैंगन. Red chili means लाल मिर्च. Green chili means हरी मिर्च. Garlic means लहसुन. Onion means प्याज. Ginger means अदरक. Zucchini means तोरी. Pumpkin means कद्दू. Radish means मूली. Turnip means शलजम. Sweet potato means शकरकंदी. Bitter gourd means करेला. Lettuce means salad. Coriander means धनिया. Mint means पुदीना. Cucumber means खीरा. Carrot means गाजर. Broccoli गोभी की एक किस्म. Spinach कहते हैं पालक को. Mushroom means खम्बी. French beans means फलियां. Corn means मकई. Cauliflower means बंद गोभी. This is face means चेहरा. This is head means sir. This is shoulder means कंधा. This is knee कहते हैं घुटने को. This is toe कहते हैं पाँव के अंगूठे को. These are eyes कहते हैं आंखों को. This is nose Nose means नाक. This is mouth. Mouth कहते हैं मुंह को. This is lip. Lip का मतलब होंठ. This is chin. Chin means ठोड़ी. These are teeth. Teeth कहते हैं दांतों को. This is tongue. Tongue का मतलब होता है जुबान. This is cheek. Cheek का मतलब होता है गाल. This is neck. Neck means गर्दन. These are hairs. Hair का मतलब होता है बाल. This is ear. Ear का मतलब होता है कान. This is arm. Arm का मतलब होता है बाजू. This is elbow. Elbow means कोहनी. This is wrist. Wrist कहते हैं कलाई को. This is hand. Hand का मतलब होता है हाथ. This is finger. Finger कहते हैं उंगली को. This is stomach. Stomach का मतलब होता है पेट. These are legs. Leg हम कहते हैं टांग को. This is ankle. Ankle कहते हैं टखने को. This is foot. Foot कहते हैं पाँव को. This is nail. Nail का मतलब होता है नाखून. तो बच्चों आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी. लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट द फैमिली रिलेटिव्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. मदर, मदर. फादर, फादर. पेरेंट्स, पेरेंट्स. baby, baby. Brother, brother. Sister, sister. Siblings, siblings. Daughter, daughter. Son, son. Progeny, progeny. Grandmother, grandmother. Grandfather, grandfather. Nephew, nephew. Niece, niece. Cousins, cousins. Husband, husband. Wife, wife. Aunt, aunt. Uncle, uncle. Fiancé, fiancé. Stepmother, stepmother. Kin mother, kin mother. Mother-in-law, mother-in-law. Father-in-law, father-in-law. Daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law. Son-in-law, son-in-law. Brother-in-law, brother-in-law. Sister-in-law, sister-in-law. In-laws, in-laws. Friends, friends. Enemy, enemy, maternal, maternal, paternal, paternal, maternal grandmother, maternal grandmother, maternal grandfather, maternal grandfather, adopted son, adopted son, granddaughter, granddaughter, grandson, grandson, maternal uncle, maternal uncle, father's sister, father's sister, married, married, unmarried, unmarried, relatives, relatives. Hello students, today we are learning about adjectives and opposites. So let's start the video. Good, bad, big, small, happy, sad, sleep, awake, stand, sit, young, old, together, alone, black, white, in, out, same, different, attack, defend, active, lazy, back, front, near, distance, cute, ugly, brave, afraid, fast, slow, come, go, sister, brother, father, mother, day, night, outside, inside, more, less, strong, weak, man, woman, thin, fat, hot, cold, turn on, turn off, husband, wife, open, close, tall, short, pass, fail, comedy, drama, dark, light, angel, devil, king, queen, ask, answer, poor, rich, right, wrong, easy, difficult, hard, soft, build, destroy, love, hate, run, walk, speak, listen, give, take, boy, girl,